What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yep, you guys, I'm still here in Dollar Tree in the location that we love to call Dollry, and I just found these bucket hats. We have bees, we have lemons, we have tie-dye, we have some solid black bucket hats as well. I bought that Hanes t-shirt that I found last week, the collared polo one, and Birdy really liked it. She really liked it. So do not hesitate with the Hanes or the Gildan tees that you may find in your store, you guys. They're actually really good, but do kind of examine them a little bit because some of them can be irregular. Look, you guys, we have baskets of the Dr. Scholl's leather inserts and baskets of socks and scarves that they're trying to manage. I think some of these pet food scoops are new. You have a sort of peachy, purple, blue, and pink. If you guys don't want to use those for pet food, I think they would work really well for like bath salts or for other things like flour or sugar if you need multiple ones and you want a little color. That's so cute. Cute little turtle. We have a cow. We have a little monster and a fire hydrant. I think all of these are brand new. Once again, you guys, we have the super huge air fresheners, fresh linen, ocean, and vanilla. These would be perfect if you have a big vehicle or a big space like an RV or a camper. And you guys already know these are always amazing. I have many of these. I love those so much. We really have a nice variety of air fresheners out right now too. If you like cute little air fresheners. All right, let's see what else we can find. Whoa, yeah, you guys. Have you guys ever seen your store go through one of these before? Wow, yes. It is quite a lot to look at. We have the craft aisle as well. I hope some of you guys don't go. I know some of you might be like, I can't. Like, I know some of you guys in real life would probably come in here and be like, I just can't. But I know this is short term. I know this is a different perspective. Hey, it makes it really easy to see certain things, doesn't it? Sometimes this is what life is. Sometimes life is a little messy, a little confusing, a little out of order. But little by little, with us working together and us picking up the pieces, we can get it back together, right? This is kind of a good analogy. A good analogy for life and how life is sometimes. We have to take these moments and these days. It makes us appreciate the easier days, the neater days. Right, you guys? One thing that's super neat still is the card area, 2 for $1 cards. Oh my gosh, you guys. And I'm seeing Easter items that I never even saw at Easter time, but I think they're just putting them out because, you know, we had weird shipping issues here in the US for a while, and they're probably like, you know what, just put it out. I don't think they're any cheaper than $1.25 though. Oh, these are so cute. The little paper straws. We have the cute cake toppers. We have this little set. I actually got it. I think it's pretty good. The cute little treat bags. You get 10 in a pack. These come back every year and I think they're just so cute. I really like them. You get 8 in a pack. We also have polka dots and pink foil. Oh, I love this one. So cute. More Easter. And then they moved the yarn over here. The Just yarn. That looks nice and neat. So this was sort of a toy aisle and sort of a outside playthings aisle. And now it's gonna be, I guess this is gonna be one of the craft aisles. Looks like we have some new fall stickers. These are definitely new with the little ladybugs. No problem. We also have this variety. These are cute. Lots and lots of new stickers. Time to celebrate. Photo booth fun. Yay. The cute clear stamps. I think these are new also. And this is a new variety of summer stickers with the silver foil on it. Oh, and then back here is our toy aisle. This looks nice. A lot of things that kids won't be able to reach, which will probably help it stay a little bit neater. I mean, you guys, no one's gonna be able to reach that. It's gonna be like adults only. Kids are definitely gonna have to ask for help if they want some of these items because it's stocked way up there. I think it looks really nice though. I actually really like it. Let's see if we have anything new. All the Legos, more Easter items. I mean, the bunny ears could be anytime, actually, in my opinion. Nerf disc launchers. That glow in the dark. The Hot Wheels items have been here really steady for like 2-3 years now. That's a nice deal. Yeah, you guys. Well, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna decide whether or not I wanna film any more in this location for today. That might be it for today. I just was out a few days ago and I really didn't need a whole lot of content. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna film any more in here or not, but I definitely had fun showing you guys the chaos, the new areas, the new items. Yeah, I just totally feel like I'm in a new store for today. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and joining the Bunny Birdy Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.